Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.